Imagine you're 20, sitting on a couch, flipping through channels, and you stumble upon a TV show featuring young rich entrepreneurs living their best lives. Their sleek cars, luxury vacations, and self-made empires spark a mix of awe and envy. You think, I could be like that. But a little voice whispers back, how? With a university degree still unfinished, part-time jobs barely covering your expenses, and no clear roadmap, the dream of becoming a millionaire feels distant. But here's the truth. It's not impossible. The key lies in the habits you cultivate starting today. The journey to financial independence in your 20s isn't about having it all figured out or waiting for the perfect time. It's about discipline, smart decisions, and consistent effort. If you're ready to turn those daydreams into a reality, let's dive into the 10 habits that have helped countless young entrepreneurs and professionals achieve their first million, and how you can do it too. Time is your biggest ally when building wealth in your 20s. By starting early, you allow compound interest to work its magic. Millionaires like Chris Sacca, an early investor in Twitter and Uber, credit their success to starting young and putting money to work as soon as possible. Chris Sacca's story is inspiring. While working as a lawyer, he aggressively saved and began investing in startups. This strategy helped him accumulate his first million by his late 20s. You too can create a similar path by focusing on saving and taking calculated risks. Automate your savings to ensure consistent contributions without overthinking. Use the 50-30-20 rule to budget effectively. 50% for necessities, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings and investments. Even small investments, like $100 a month, can grow exponentially thanks to compounding. Visualize your future wealth using online calculators to keep yourself motivated as you watch your savings potential grow over time. In your 20s, the skills you develop can set the foundation for your financial future. High-income skills like coding, sales, digital marketing, or data analysis can significantly boost your earning potential. Take Ryan Kaji's rise to fame, for instance. As a young YouTuber, he mastered content creation and leveraged his skills to build Ryan's world. By age 10, he had earned his first million, proving the power of honing marketable talents early. Identify high-demand skills by researching growth industries and platforms like LinkedIn. Invest in your education through online courses, webinars, or certifications. Dedicate time daily to practice and refine your chosen skill. Put your new skills to the test by freelancing or taking on small projects. Not only will you gain experience, but you'll also start building your income streams. Relying on a single source of income limits your earning potential. Millionaires often diversify their earnings through side hustles, freelance work, or passive income streams. Kylie Jenner's success is a testament to this strategy. While her cosmetic empire is her primary business, she's also made millions through social media endorsements and licensing deals. Launch a side hustle like affiliate marketing, freelancing, or e-commerce. Create digital products such as ebooks or courses to generate passive income. Explore investment opportunities like real estate or dividend-paying stocks. Track your income streams and set specific goals to increase them. Watching your diversified portfolio grow can inspire you to seek out even more opportunities. Building meaningful relationships can open doors to opportunities you might not find on your own. Surrounding yourself with ambitious and successful individuals can inspire and guide you. Mark Zuckerberg's early success with Facebook highlights the importance of networking. His connections at Harvard helped him secure funding and expertise, leading to his first million at age 22. Attend industry events, webinars, and meetups to connect with potential mentors and peers. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn to engage with industry leaders. Always offer value in your interactions, whether it's by sharing insights or helping others achieve their goals. Keep a journal of your networking efforts and follow up consistently. A thoughtful message or a coffee meeting can strengthen connections and lead to future opportunities. Investing is a cornerstone of wealth creation. Whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or startups, putting your money to work is essential for growing your wealth. Kevin David's journey showcases the power of consistent investment. He funneled his earnings from digital marketing into e-commerce and online courses, enabling him to reach his first million by his late 20s. Begin with small investments on beginner-friendly platforms like Robinhood or Acorns. Diversify your portfolio to balance risk across stocks, bonds, and alternative investments. Continuously educate yourself about market trends and financial strategies. Challenge yourself to increase your investment contributions each month. Comparing portfolio growth can add a layer of excitement to your financial journey. Living below your means is a foundational habit for building and sustaining wealth. Avoiding lifestyle inflation allows you to focus on growing your savings and investments. Consider Ingvar Kamprad, founder of IKEA, who remained frugal despite his immense wealth. His approach allowed him to reinvest profits into his business and achieve long-term success. Track your spending using apps like Mint to identify unnecessary expenses. Delay upgrades to your lifestyle. Instead, channel extra funds into investments. Shop strategically by prioritizing quality and seeking out discounts. A vision board of your financial goals can remind you of what's truly important, helping you resist the urge to overspend. Failure is an inevitable part of any success story. The key is to treat setbacks as opportunities for growth. Sarah Blakely's journey with Spanx demonstrates the power of resilience. After facing multiple rejections, her persistence paid off with her first million in sales within a year of launching her product. Reflect on failures by journaling the lessons learned from each setback. Seek constructive feedback from trusted mentors or peers. Stay focused on long-term goals, using each failure as a stepping stone. Consider creating a failure resume to document your setbacks and the valuable lessons they've taught you. It's a great reminder of how far you've come. Your physical and mental health are critical for achieving and sustaining success. A healthy lifestyle enhances productivity, reduces stress, and keeps you focused on your goals. Richard Branson's dedication to fitness is a prime example. His commitment to health has helped him maintain the energy and clarity needed to build multiple successful businesses.
If you don't succeed, pick yourself up and try again. And ultimately, if you're that determined, you will succeed in life. And if you don't, you'll have a hell of a lot of fun trying.
Make exercise a daily priority, even if it's just a 30-minute walk. Fuel your body with nutritious meals that support sustained energy. Practice mindfulness or meditation to improve focus and manage stress. Setting health-related goals alongside financial ones can create a balanced approach to achieving overall success. Consistency and persistence are the defining traits of successful people. Building wealth is a long-term journey that requires dedication. Grant Sabatier's story illustrates this well. By saving aggressively and investing regularly, he reached financial independence by age 30. Develop a routine that aligns with your financial goals, like reviewing budgets daily. Celebrate small wins to keep yourself motivated along the way. Remain focused on your plan, even when progress seems slow. Use a habit tracker to monitor your progress and identify areas for improvement. Small, consistent efforts lead to substantial results over time. Learning from those who have already achieved success can fast-track your journey. Mentors provide invaluable insights, advice, and connections. Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Workweek, credits much of his early success to mentorship. His mentors helped refine his ideas, leading to his first million. Reach out to potential mentors in your field, expressing genuine interest in their journey. Build meaningful relationships by being respectful and showing a willingness to learn. Apply the lessons shared and keep your mentor updated on your progress. Joining a mastermind group can also connect you with like-minded individuals and mentors who can inspire and challenge you. Reaching your first million in your 20s is not just a dream. It's an achievable goal if you commit to the right habits. By starting early, diversifying income streams, networking strategically, and maintaining discipline, you can set yourself on a path to financial success. Your 20s are the perfect time to take risks, build skills, and lay the foundation for a lifetime of wealth and independence. Start today, stay focused, and watch as these habits transform your dreams into reality.